Inverted press on P-bars. Once you've built enough strength to do push-ups, what's next? You can continue to work on your push-up numbers and different horizontal pressing variations, or you could start to work towards a vertical press. The inverted press on the P-bars is a progression from the push-up towards the handstand push-up. You can think of the inverted press as being similar to an incline bench press. The inverted press is also useful for building stability in the shoulder stand. You will need to use a tall set of P-bars. At the bottom of the inverted press, your shoulders should be at the same height as your wrists. If the P-bars are too small, the range of motion will be limited. Grip the P-bars with straight arms and walk the feet in towards the P-bars. Your hamstring mobility will dictate how close you can bring the feet to the P-bars. Rise onto the balls of your feet and keep the legs straight for the entire set. At the top of the inverted press, press your head and chest between the arms and towards the thighs. From a side view, the ears should be covered by the shoulders. Remember to elevate the shoulders and lock the elbows. To perform the inverted press, you need to move the shoulders both forward and down. Start by leaning the shoulders forward and over the wrists before bending the elbows. Notice how the shoulders move a long way forward of the wrists. You want to keep your elbows vertically stacked above your wrists so that the forearms are perpendicular to the floor. This is important because this technique is transferable to shoulder stands and handstand push-ups. Lower all the way down until the top of the head touches the floor or the shoulders touch the P-bars. Keep the elbows close to the sides of the body and do not allow them to flare out. The inside edge of the triceps will touch the sides of the torso while performing the inverted press. From the bottom, focus on keeping the elbows in as you extend the elbows and open the shoulders to press back to the starting position. As you press up, you must remember to move the chest and head towards the thighs so that the shoulders are covering the ears at the top of the press. The top position of the inverted press is very similar to the yoga downward dog. Perform the specified number of repetitions at the specified tempo. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel as this encourages me to keep sharing great content.